In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Mailchimp subscription, whether you want to downgrade or cancel your plan entirely. So, if you've decided you no longer need a paid plan on Mailchimp, or perhaps you want to explore their free tier, follow along and we'll walk you through this process smoothly. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and enter your login credentials. This should bring you straight to your account dashboard where you'll have access to all your Mailchimp settings and features. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access the billing settings. To do this, locate your profile icon, which you'll find sitting comfortably in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the list of options that appears, go ahead and choose Account and Billing. This will take you to a section where you can manage all your account preferences. Within this section, you'll see a billing tab. Click on it and then navigate to Plans and Pricing. This area is where you can view and adjust your current plan details. Now, you might be considering either downgrading to a free plan or canceling your paid plan altogether. Let's explore both options so you can make an informed decision based on your needs. If downgrading to the free plan is what you're looking for, start by clicking on Change Plan. You should see a selection of plans available, including the free plan. Select the free plan and confirm the changes when prompted. By doing this, you won't be charged any further, and you can breathe easy knowing that your account won't incur any unexpected costs. However, if you're leaning towards fully canceling your paid plan, here's how to proceed. Go back to the Plans and Pricing section where you clicked earlier and look for the option that says Pause or Cancel Plan. Click on that and choose the Cancel Paid Plan option. Mailchimp will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your cancellation. Engage with these prompts, and once you've confirmed your intent to cancel, your account will be transitioned to the free tier. Even after cancellation, Mailchimp will keep your account on the free tier, which does come with limited features but can still be quite useful for basic email management and campaigns. This way you can still access your account with no ongoing charges while having the flexibility to resume a paid plan whenever you're ready. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can manage your Mailchimp plan confidently and ensure you're only using the services that best fit your current needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Happy emailing!